Hey, how's it going, everyone? So I'm discussing this jazz music. It goes like this. So I'm sort of thinking, what is this song that I got in my head? Sort of this. And I think it's basically a sort of classical styled derivative of jazz, sort of the classical form of jazz, because you don't want to, I mean, you could just be like completely random and unpredictable, but I kind of like these steps and these sort of these levels and these ascensions and sort of drop-ins and sort of dun 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 dun. And it's, I think it's basically all classical music is mostly traditional, maybe old world, educated and informed, and I just don't have that. So I just find it fascinating. I'm just wondering, what do you think about it? It's not actually that high pitched. It's not like that. See, it's like dun 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 dun. Do 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 do, you know, do 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 do, bam 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 boom bam bam boom 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 boom. Boom, 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 but I don't know. So, what do you think? Steely Dan or some sort of classical blues and rhythm? I try not to like have just like completely sort of obnoxious noises. I mean, some people, you know, they're good at it. Me, I'm very, very bad at it. Okay, so they're expecting something, some sort of meaning without being mean. So, what do you think? Let me know.